to my channel. So today's look is going to be this eye look here. I wanted to play about with my Carnival Stacey Marie palette. I really wanted to play about with this because I haven't actually really had a chance to sit down and just play. So I thought today we would play about with this, and this is what I have created. So if you guys want to see how I have created this look, then just stay tuned. So first off, I'm just prepping the eyes with the P. Louise base. This is in shade 1 and this base is fantastic. You guys know I use this constantly now. It is my go-to. If you haven't tried it, you have to. It's fantastic and it dries perfectly and it doesn't crease or crack. Just going in with the shade Haiti, and I'm just going in with a Jessup's Beauty brush. I will leave the brushes and stuff in the description for you, and the kind of sets and stuff that I do use. I do use mainly the Peaches brushes, so I will leave them linked in the description box for you as well. So I'm basically just carving out this sort of cut crease effect. Now I'm just going in with some Peaches brushes, probably like PC33. I'm just going in with the shade Magenta. And on top of that, I'm just going with a little bit of Blackberry. That is a nice deep purple. So I'm just going in with the shade Blackberry now, and I'm just blending that out. Now just going in with some of the P. Louise base again, and I'm just putting that over the rest of my lid. Just using a brush from Amazon here, so it is just an older brush. Sort of tapping this and kind of patting it a little bit. It doesn't crease, but it was just to make sure that like it was nice and smooth. I'm now just going in with a little bit of Black Beach as well in that crease area. Now I'm just going above the purple shades with the shade Pink Lily, and I'm just kind of blending that into the purple a little bit. I wanted to blend some pink into it a little bit just to give it that sort of dimensional colour. And then just slightly above that, I do actually go in with the shade Lilac as well, just to make sure that it's nice and blended. And I believe I'm using a Morphe brush for this. It is probably the Morphe M515 brush. And I'm going back and forth a few times with the purples and the pinks, just deepening up that colour a little bit. Now I'm just going in with the eyeshadow in shade Blue Moon. It is a sort of iridescent kind of shade. Also going in with the Collection metallic liner, and this is the purple one. I will leave it in the description for you guys as well. And then I actually remembered that this cracked a lot, so I kind of regretted that, but I'd already applied it. I'm just going over all that with the Peaches pigment in the shade Watermelon. It's more of a sort of pinky shift, so I ended up going in with some Pool Party as well, just in the inner sort of corner of this, just to give it that sort of dimensional colour. And I just find it best to apply these with your fingers, but everybody does it differently. As you guys can see, it was looking a bit too pink again, so I put on a little bit of Pool Party here, and that is where like it's kind of shifting to different colours a little bit. Now I'm just putting on some mascara, and I'm just applying some lashes. These are Drama. Just using some of the blue Quick Set Dual Glue, the one with the little applicator. Absolutely fantastic, by the way, guys. If you have not tried that glue, it is amazing, and it honestly sticks your lashes so quickly, hardly any drying time at all. And I'm basically just going in doing a little bit of eyeliner, just kind of neatening this little bit up. Do just go underneath the eyes as well once I do have my foundation and stuff on, and I'm just going back in with the shade Magenta under here. First I'm just applying a little bit of a white liner, then I'm just going over the top of that white liner with the shade Pink Lily. And that is how I got this super bright pink eyeliner sort of effect. I'm just going back under that with the colour Magenta. And I think I'm using a little bit of Blackberry as well. Darken it up a little bit. Just adding a little bit of mascara here to my bottom lashes just to kind of complete the eyes a little. And I'm then just going into the inner corner with the shades Rose Pink, and it's just a light shimmery pink. It's stunning. Then I'm just moving on to the lips. I used my Peaches lip liner in Punchline and the gloss in Cherub. And that is this look. I hope you guys like it. Please stay tuned for more and do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.